If you've been wondering how to change your Calendly name, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to update the name displayed on your Calendly profile and booking pages, step by step. This is really useful if you've changed your business name, want to correct a spelling mistake, or simply want your scheduling page to show the right information. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This opens your account menu where you can access your personal settings. From the menu, select Profile. This is the area where you can edit the details that appear publicly on your Calendly page. Now, on the profile page, scroll or look for the name field. This is the field that controls the name people see when they visit your scheduling link or receive booking confirmations. Click into the first name or last name box and type in your updated name. If you only need to change one part of it, such as your first name or surname, you can do that here without changing everything else. Take a moment to double check that the spelling is correct before saving. This is important because the name you enter here is what your invitees will see, so you want it to look professional and accurate. Once you've confirmed everything looks right, click Save Changes. Calendly will update your profile name, and the new name should now appear on your booking pages and related scheduling details. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page or checking your public scheduling link to confirm the update. In most cases, the change is applied right away, but it's always a good idea to verify it once more after saving. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Calendly name. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in keeping your scheduling page current and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.